Hello students, welcome you all with this new video on the poem Today and Tomorrow by J.E. Carpenter. Students, it's quite clear to you all that this poem will talk about the importance of time, as the name of the poem is Today and Tomorrow. So yes, time is something which cannot be controlled by anyone. One cannot stop the time. One cannot control it. Right? So before starting the poem, you will get pre-reading task. You have to think about these three questions. Number 1, have you ever been punished for not doing your homework? Yes or no? So think about it, though I know that most of you will answer it yes. Second, do you know anyone who is always regular in their work? Talk to them and find out the secret of their regularity. So yes, you can talk with your family members or with your friend or anyone whom you know that they are very regular in their work. So talk to them and ask what is the secret of their regularity. Question number 3. If you are half asleep, that means if you are sleepy and your mother tells you to pack your bag before sleeping, will you get up and pack it immediately? Tell her to wait for 10 minutes or tell her that you will pack it in the morning. So, what will you do? Think about it. So, now we will start the poem. Before that, let's read a little bit about the poet J.E. Carpenter, who was an English poet. J.E. Carpenter has written very few poems, and in these poems, he talks about the present moments. And the poet, like the people who act in present time only, he didn't like the people who talk about past or future. And that is why this poem, Today and Tomorrow, will tell us that what is the value of present time. So we will start the poem now, and with this poem you will get to know new words and phrases as well. So this is your poem Today and Tomorrow. I have underlined all the new words and phrases with red line. So you will get to know very easily that these words are new for you. So let's start the poem now. So the poet says, don't tell me of tomorrow. Give me the man who will say that when a good deed's to be done. Let's do the deed today. So let me tell you the meaning of deed. Deed means task, work. So in this first stanza, the poet is saying that don't talk about tomorrow and give me the man, tell me about the man who will say that let's do some good work, let's do some good task and let's do it today, let's do it right now without doing any delay. Second stanza, we may all command the present if we act and never wait, but repentance is the phantom of a past that comes too late. Repentance means regret, something which you did in past and then you feel bad about it. Phantom means ghost. So in this stanza, the poet is saying that it is actually difficult to command the time, but we can command the present. We can just go with the present time if we will act, if we will do action and we will not wait. And why? But the repentance is a phantom of past that comes too late, because repentance, regret is actually a ghost of past time that comes too late. That means when we do not do anything in present and the situation goes out of our control and we feel very bad that we couldn't complete it. So that repentance, that regret, it is like a ghost only, which comes too late because it doesn't come in advance and it tells that if you will not do something it would be really bad, but it comes too late like a ghost. Stanza number 3. Don't tell me of tomorrow. There is much to do today that can never be accomplished if we throw the hours away. Accomplished means skilled or to complete. Throw the hours away is a phrase that means to waste the time, to waste the hours. So, in this stanza, the poet is saying, don't tell me of tomorrow, that do not talk about tomorrow, about future. There is much to do today when we can do so many things today in present time that can never be accomplished if we throw the hours away. And we cannot complete a work which we should complete in present time if we will just waste our time, if we will throw the hours away. So we cannot accomplish, we cannot complete the work which we should complete in present time. Stanza number 4. Every moment has its duty. Who the future can foretell? Then why put off till tomorrow what today can do as well? Foretell means to predict, to tell about the future. Put off is a phrase that means to delay. So the poet is saying in this stanza that every moment has its duty, that we have a duty to work in every present moment. And who can tell about the future? Who can tell about that what will happen in the future? Then why put off? Put off means delay. Then why we should put off? We should delay any work till tomorrow. What we can do today, the work which we can do in present time, then why we should delay it for tomorrow? So this was the poem which explained that what is the importance of today. We should not think about tomorrow and we should not just be too late that we would just regret. So this was the poem. I hope you understood it. Keep reading. Thank you very much.